Balance is overrated. I'll give you contrast and emotion. It's giving modern gallery energy. Look! Just a sec. Oh, wow! This is awesome! I'd hang that in my room. Huh? I'm so sorry. I'm gonna fix it, I promise. Trust me, I know what I'm doing. Real art is born from chaos. Watch me turn this oops into a wow. It's like I just created fairy pebbles. So… wow, so magical. Glinda the Good Witch would approve. I could really use a cold drink. Hey, you gotta take a hydration break. Good idea. Huh? No! Bad idea! And there goes all my hard work. I really messed up. Don't be so hard on yourself. Who says accidents can't be inspiration? This is the bottle method. I just invented it. No brush needed. Recycling at its best, huh? When in doubt, use all the colors. And spin the wheel. Just make sure to cover the floor first. It's a messy process. Now this next step will make all the difference. A dash of glitter. Did I say a dash? Who am I kidding? I meant a lot. More sparkle, more magic. Whew! You gotta have strong lungs for this. I'll name this the Golden Galaxy. Wow! You're a creative genius! The floor's a mess, but this was totally worth it. Agreed. Bet the Caribbean Sea is this color. And my canvas is blooming. Yay! It's break time! Watch out! No! Uh-oh! I'm sorry! It was an accident! My bouquet! My lovely bouquet! Wait! I'll make it right! Let me clean that! You made things even worse! Okay. I have an idea! It better be good. Fingers crossed, but no promises. Your flowers might be flooded, but I'll turn them into something magical. A glowing moon to fix the mood. Every night scene needs something mysterious. It's getting a little eerie, and I love it. Wow! I'm vibing with the spooky twist. Just you wait. It's gonna give haunted forest vibes. And this fella here is its spirit guardian. Finished! The witching hour never looked this good. That moonlight gave me an idea. If the sun's gone, my flowers can still glow in the dark. I want my work to be precise and clean. That's why I use the tape. A nocturnal garden. Mysterious, calm, and beautiful. Glowing petals, silver light, soft shadows. Night colors are trickier, but way more magical. A little blue and a touch of silver. Oh, perfection! The moon's light makes everything shimmer differently. See? The tape's made a huge difference. It's giving romantasy novel cover. Okay, I'm officially in love with my own painting. Wow! It's like a painting from a dream. We're really good at fixing accidents. Get it? Yeah. Keep writing unicorn to manifest one into reality. Sabrina, check this out. I don't get it. Oh. Okay. You don't like the idea, huh? Aw, no, I didn't mean that. I need to cheer her up. But how do I do that? Can I grab that for a sec? Huh? What are you gonna do? It's a surprise. Writing the word unicorn one time should be enough. Now watch carefully. Words are powerful, especially when they turn into art. Gotta give her a mane worthy of a legend. Her horn is the source of all her magic. Wow, this is the best art hack ever! I'm not even done yet. Let's make this unicorn shine like a rainbow dream. She's about to be the prettiest creature on paper. Ta-da! It's all yours! Aww! My planner got the ultimate makeover! Thank you! She's happy again! Yes! I I love her! Let's see what happens when I mix these colors. Gotta clean my brush. And back to mixing! Scrolling next. Now adding the final color. Oh, my drink! Oh, I'm so sorry. That's okay. Happens to all of us. Ugh, I feel so bad. I can't get her a new drink now, but I can make her an apology gift. Straws aren't just for drinks, you know. A few cuts here, and something beautiful is about to bloom. Dip it into white paint. And would ya look at that! DIY daffodils! If I make a dozen, does that count as a bouquet? The paper's turning into a meadow. A touch of yellow, and they come to life. Okay, now they look complete. The painting is done. I made this for you. Wow! So pretty. Thank you. I'll hang it inside my locker. So glad you liked it. Small brush, big brush. Help! No brush is the correct answer. I need that plastic bag. Keep the apples. Hey! You do you. Oh, yeah, this'll be perfect. Dab, dab, just like that. And bam! One more time. More! I'll name this painting Peaceful Pond. Aw, look at him. So cute! But now he needs friends. Yay! They're all besties swimming! I'm so proud of my work. For you, bestie! Wow! This is so adorable! Art class is the best! Couldn't agree more! I brought all my favorite pens this time. Yeah, mine are here too. In my former makeup bag / new pencil case. Wait! They're not here! I swear I remember putting them in here! Oh man, this is so frustrating. I'm sorry. You can use mine if you want. Thanks, but no. I needed them for what I had in mind. Hey, how about… Hey, that's a great idea! Let's do it your way then. Who knew carrying Q-tips would come in handy in art class? Tiny dots, big forest. You'll see. Sometimes the weirdest tools make the coolest art. And here's the proof. Using different shades for depth. Every dot adds a little life to my tree. Leaves. Done. Now let's get these trees standing tall. And… here it is! One perfect little tree! It's simple, but so pretty, right? Yep. Unlike mine. It's yours! Aw, thanks!
Like and subscribe for more great videos.
My tool is ready! Oh! I haven't made a single stroke! Oh well. At least I have this one. No! Why did I just do that?
What?
My paintbrush broke in half!
Aw, too bad. Hey, wait a minute here. See this pasta? Use a rubber band to keep them secure. And put it on the end. Now dip it into the boiling water. Perfect! Exactly what I was hoping for. Just use this, Alex.
What? Isn't this pasta?
You paint with it, silly. Just dip it and go. Ready? Let's do it!
Woohoo! It really works! Awesome! A challenge? I'm excited!
Yeah! Woohoo!
Woohoo!
But we need some tools. Here.
Hey, look over there!
Yeah. You wanna draw that?
It's my favorite color, Dad!
Alrighty then. Gotcha!
Woohoo!
Is this the one you wanted? Let's get started then.
Time it!
I'd better get to it then. Son, choose one.
It's mine!
This is what I have to work with? I know. What about that water? This is about to get interesting. Dip the marker in the water. Then put the spray top back on. There! Yeah, this is what I wanted.
Dad!
Gotcha! Check this out. You can use different colors too. Look what you're left with. Try competing with that.
Well, check out this masterpiece. Aw, man. Yours is way better. It's not fair.
Don't cry. You'll get better. Hey, looks like I won.
Wait a minute. I have money.
Uh-huh. Oh yeah. What?
Yep. I want it. Please, I want to buy it.
You're a good salesman. Here you go.
I'm the winner, Daddy! Woohoo!
I can live with that. So what's next?
I'm so bored.
We can watch TV then. Nope.
Nah.
Let's see. I don't know. Ooh, this seems intriguing. Look.
I like it. Let's get to creating. Yeah, I want all the colors.
Let's see. A couple lines here, and some grass.
Oh no! My water! It's everywhere! No, not on my flower!
Oh no! Son, your beautiful painting!
I can't believe this! Not fair! I never want to paint again!
So heartbreaking. But maybe it's not so bad. I know what to do. This is about to save the day. Let the napkin soak up the water. Then you can draw on the rest. This will create texture. Even though it looks like scribbles. Put on as many petals as you can. You can add pointy ones too. Be patient. It'll be worth it. Yep, you're almost there. You know what? One more time around won't hurt. Is your hand getting tired? Don't stress. You're nearly finished. Just don't forget about the stem. And a few lines on the grass. The magic is all in the details. Add some fun stuff here. Phew. Hey, look, Alex.
Huh? What?
I revamped your flower. Like it?
Yeah! Let me see it. Aw, it makes me so happy. Thank you. What about yours?
Oh, I forgot about mine. I can't think of anything.
That's too bad. Or how about this?
Yeah, we did it together. Aw, teamwork makes the dream work.
Yeah! Dad, she's beautiful. Just look. I love her, okay? I want to draw her.
Wow. Yeah.
But I don't know how to draw people.
I think I can help you.
What?
Just draw what you see.
Got it! I can do this. I'm ready.
Me too, son. If only I knew what to draw. I guess hearts are a safe bet. They mean love, after all. Okay. What's Alex drawing?
These hearts are turning out great. I've never drawn them before. Who am I kidding? Hearts are hard to draw.
Mine turned out okay.
Mine are awful.
Don't be so hard on yourself.
Help! Please.
Aw. Just take mine.
No, I want to make my own.
Aw, I understand. Let me think. What about these cookie cutters? I got it! Use a small potato. And press a cookie cutter into it. And that's it! Hey, Alex, look it!
Come on, Dad. A potato?
Oh, you just don't get it. Stamp it, okay?
What? Okay. Red, please. And now I just stamp it?
That's right.
Okay, here goes nothing. It's actually working! Dad, you're a genius!
No, you're the art whiz. So impressive.
See ya! From my heart to yours.
Really? Aw! I love it!
Feeling inspired by these hacks? Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more, and don't forget to share this video with your friends!